Alright, bro. Alright, bro. Alright. Well, that's concerning. Just little dude. Right. Why is he here? Yeah, I speed glitched. I didn't speed glitch. I glitched out the map, bro. Do something about it. Do something about it. Yo, look at this goober. Look at this goober, bro. Look at this goober. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Oh, why did that scare me? She doesn't have an effect on. Maybe this her and she just turned off her effect like a bum. I'm gonna go back in because I don't feel like it. God dang. Yo. Someone just got popped. Yeah. Oh, shoot. Come on. I can't do that. Now, why is there a Talkies packet? There's a Talkies packet, bro. Bro, why you gonna pose 28 or whatever it is? I don't play DTI, okay? I played DTI like 3 times. Okay, way more times than that, but like still. And you know, like, if you're a boy, you've played DTI, but like, after you played it like that time, you kind of just forgot about that. I'm gonna leave this server because of this, like, speed glitch here. And why does this guy have the best? Oh, he's using Slight. That makes sense. He's using Slight. Is he cheating? Oh, yeah, pretty sure he's cheating, bro. What? Putting out a bomb like that's finna do something. God dang. God dang his reach. Yo, corrupt might be corrupt. Corrupted, bro. Oh, shoot. His username. I'm gonna get it. Don't follow that. Okay, I'm just gonna. So what am I doing, bro? What am I doing? Sorry, it's a lot of stuff that I can do. Oh, little glitcher. What's that? Oh. Oh, no. Yo, this guy thinks he has so much over with the animation pack. Like, bro. I'm gonna change to my heat state avatar. Do I change to my heat state avatar? Do I become MJ? Yeah, I'll wear this. I guess I'll wear this. I don't know. Who is this guy? Where's a wannabe emo, I think. Oh my, not the abs, bro. Not the abs. Not the abs, bro. Innocent, bro. Innocent every time, bro. Genuinely haven't. I've been playing M2 for like an hour and I still haven't gotten it. Genuinely, when am I gonna get it? When am I gonna get Murderer Sheriff? Oh my, oh my. My God. Yo, also, I heard about Argentina lost. Sorry to all the Messi fans out there. I'm a Messi fan. I was rooting for Messi and hearing him that he won. Oh. Oh God, you're stupid. Like, oh God. You for real? Wait, what? This kid, I swear, God, I'm about to kill this kid. In the game, of course, If YouTube's puts this as 18 plus, I will be mad. Boy, you put it on that thing, boy. Don't make me go try hard. WS10 on my Doge outfit, my MG outfit, all that, bro. I don't know what to do. Alright, I'll be back. That was my fan. Alright, I'm back. My bad. I had to go. Ow! That's jumped on my bed. With a glitch avatar. Well, you see, you're kind of late because he's been doing that the whole dang time, and no one has won with it, bro. Like, I'm gonna crash out if I can end it one more time, cause oh God, what is happening? I want to glitch out, cause if it's stuck with the glitcher, he's not gonna be able to find me. Oh. I swear I'm about to reset, bro. After this round, I might rejoin a server, cause yeah. You don't have chat, bro. You don't have chat. Let's go server. Oh yes. Oh my lord. Oh my God, bro. Why he gotta be a bum, bro? Why he gotta be a bum? Oh my lord. Like, check. What? Why are you doing that, bro? Nah. That's what I. Oh, that's what I. Oh, 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 bro, stop being a helicopter. Oh my lord. Oh my God. Bro, chill, bro. You don't gotta do this to me, bro. Yo, chill, yo. Yeah, I'm gonna play a different game, cause. Alright guys, that's it for today's vid. I'm probably gonna be uploading daily. Well, maybe not, cause after summer I'm probably not gonna be uploading that much. I know my uploads are kind of buns right now. But yeah, bye. Thank you for all the support in my shorts and my single vid. But yeah, bye bye.